I had some neck issues that were giving me severe headaches on the left side of my head specifically. Some issues in my neck and my upper back, and then I had some lower back issues also from a previous injury almost 30 years ago. So I started with my primary care, and she referred me out to a specialist. I've had x-rays, 2 MRIs, a CT scan. Eventually went to a neurosurgeon and had a consultation with a neurosurgeon who sent me to a pain management clinic. And I went through 2 procedures at a pain management clinic, none of which worked. And then I knew my body, and I knew that something structurally wasn't right in my spine. And that's when I started to seek a chiropractor. Terrified of a chiropractor cracking my neck. That's all it came down to. That was my biggest fear. But at that point, I was tired of fighting the pain, and I had lead a very active lifestyle, and my lifestyle was being due because of the issues I was having in my spine. First visit, as much as I felt like I needed an adjustment, I appreciated the fact that he came in, he listened to all my issues. I didn't feel rushed. I was able to explain all the different issues that I had been having. And he wanted to do x-rays and look over the x-rays and all my MRI and CT scan reports first before he just started in adjusting me. He wanted to have a plan going in, which I appreciated. But what's also great about One Spine is they have lots of payment plan options. They take a lot of insurance carriers. So if you're worried about payment or how you're going to pay for it, there are a lot of options to choose from, which I was very thankful for. My life has gotten significantly better since going through the program. Like I said, I live a very active lifestyle. I have 2 little girls. I'm married to a police officer. We're on the go all the time. We like to go off-roading. We travel. And I haven't really been able to do those things because I wasn't able to be on my feet for very long. And the massive headaches that I was having put me in bed. So going through this treatment plan with Dr. Marion has been wonderful. I'm up and about and feel so much better and get back to my normal activities. I started seeing Dr. Marion. I'm nearing the end of my 3 months. We had a 3-month plan. I was seeing 3 times a week, then 2 times, and now I'm down to 1 time a week. So it's been about 3 months. I did notice a difference after the first session. It was a little terrifying coming the first time. But when I left, I felt better. I felt lighter. I could tell my body needed to release something. And when I left here, I slept amazing that first night. And I did feel just even better the first day after I left. If you're living with chronic back pain, I have been living with it, some of it for decades, literally. And then my neck issues is what really, it was really when I started having the neck issues for almost 2 years and it was affecting my lifestyle, I knew I had to do something. And I was very timid about coming to a chiropractor, but it really has given me my active lifestyle back.